Hello friends, this is Bruce speaking. Now I will show you our CD590 solar VFD series. This one is 22 kilowatts and it's under assembly now. You can see here is the heat sink. This cable is the temperature sensor cable. Here is the valve case. You can see we customized this one for one client. Now we are installing the IGBT for the CD580 series. Now we are installing the driver board for the CD590 solar VFD. There are 4 capacitors here. You can see the specification is 400 voltage and 1800 UF. Now we are installing the AC power board. This step is to wire in the IGBT module with the driver board. Now we are wired the AC power board with the driver board. Now we are painting the 3-level proofing paint, anti-dust, anti-water, anti-leakage. Thank you. Now we are installed the controller board. Now we are installed the cooling fan for the inverter. Here we install the case, outer case. Install the shield for the cooling fan. Install the display. Collect the power cable for testing. Put on the shelf and waiting for test. Thank you, that's all.